Every essay needs a main point that sticks, a thesis statement. There's nothing fancy about it, just a clear central idea that tells readers about what's coming and why they should care. The problem is, most students write thesis statements that are too vague to guide their essay or interest the readers. Sometimes they'll state the obvious, like social media affects society, which doesn't give readers anything to chew on. A compelling thesis has a few key features. First, it's arguable. Someone can reasonably disagree with your position. For example, the Earth orbits the Sun is a fact, not a thesis. Second, it's specific. Not exercise is good, but high-intensity interval training improves cardiovascular health more effectively than steady-state cardio. And third, it's focused. It narrows down to one clear idea instead of trying to cover everything. Here's my 5-step process for writing a thesis. Step 1. Find your main idea. Ask yourself, what's the core message of my essay? Write it down in one sentence. Step 2. Narrow down your topic. Big topics are impossible to cover well. Instead of social media, try social media's role in political polarization. Step 3. Make a clear, arguable claim. Turn your topic into a statement with a stance. An example of a weak statement is social media is popular, while a strong statement is more like social media platforms intensify political polarization by creating echo chambers. Step 4. Think about evidence. Can you support this with facts, studies, or examples? Revise your claim to something provable. Step 5. Refine and simplify. You should cut extra words until your claim is sharp. Here's a sample first draft. There are many reasons why recycling is good for the environment. After refinement, the draft should sound something more like, recycling reduces landfill waste, conserves resources, and lowers greenhouse gases. Here are some of the most common mistakes that people make when writing thesis statements. First, being too broad. Technology has changed human life. This statement covers everything but says nothing. Second, stating a fact. Like I said, the Earth orbits the Sun is a fact and can't be argued with. And third, overcomplicating. Long, wordy sentences confuse readers. Keep it clear. Here's my quick test before finalizing. Is it debatable? Can someone argue the opposite? Second, is it specific? Is it not too broad or vague? And third, does it match my evidence? Will my essay back it up? If you answer no to any of these questions, revise. Another way to ensure that your thesis statement is up to standards is by using Jenny's chat to analyze your document. Simply ask it for any improvements and it'll scan your drafted thesis statement and provide you with options with one prompt. A compelling thesis statement is the beating heart of any essay. It directs your writing, engages your reader, and defines your credibility. Start with a clear question, narrow your focus, make it arguable, and keep refining until it's sharp. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to check out Jenny, where we help authors write as efficiently as possible. Link is in the description box below. Happy writing! Hi, Shane from Jenny here. Thank you for watching the video. Jenny is an all-in-one writing workspace that's designed specifically for students, researchers, and academics. Jenny helps you write with smart suggestions that include citations, manage all of your sources in one place, paraphrase your writing into any tone, and it also offers a smart Jenny chat, which is basically ChatGPT but tailored specifically for academics. You can try it out for free today. Link is in the description box. See you in the next video.